I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and I'm here with Lee Fletcher, who's contributed to this whole event. So we're here with the Juno mission in the Linnean Society. We've got the Royal Astronomical Society across the road. I've been talking to a lot of people today, and I know there's a huge collaboration between amateur and professional astronomers, and also between science and art. So can you tell me a little bit about how you've put this whole event together, please?
It's taken us about 18 months to put this entire meeting together, but what we really wanted to do was bring together those amateurs who have been contributing to the continuous tracking of all this crazy, chaotic turbulence in the atmosphere of Jupiter with members of the Juno team. So those two together have really worked as a fantastic team over the last 18 months while the spacecraft has been operating. And we just wanted to give something back to those amateurs, to share with them how excited we are about the mission, and to learn from them some of the incredible techniques that they're using. So we invited them all here from all over the world: Australia, Japan, the Philippines, Europe, America, everywhere. And it's been an absolute delight to have so many friendly faces together in one place, meeting each other sometimes for the first time. And I think we've, as a result of this meeting, which is now coming to a close, we've got a lot of great new ideas for collaborations going forward. And I think the Juno team are just extremely pleased with everything that we've done here.
Absolutely. Can you tell me anything about these new ideas?
So we are hoping to continue monitoring the Jovian atmosphere over the next few years that the Juno spacecraft is operating. We have some changes to the way that the Juno spacecraft is going to be oriented, so the sorts of data that we're getting will be different. And so there's a subtle question then out there to the amateur community about how they take their data to support that new phase of the Juno mission. So watch this space.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure talking to you. So I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and we'll see you in the next video.